just left Cocoa Village Marina. I was untying the boat, getting ready to go, and Christy was downstairs. I was finally ready, so I just cast off, and I was exiting the marina, and I saw Christy on the dock. So yeah, I was motoring away without her. Behind me is the canal that heads over to the Cape Canaveral locks to go out in the ocean. We read today that they're doing maintenance on the lock, so it's going to be closed for at least 8 hours at a time. We were planning on going out the lock into the ocean up to Daytona, but I think we're just going to stay in the ICW and go to Daytona that way. We're at the New Smyrna Beach North Causeway. We have to wait for an opening in about 18 minutes. And we're going to anchor in the intercoastal between New Smyrna and Daytona. Going to New Smyrna Airport.
We're at American Aero Service. Gary, we're coming to see you. We're at Ponce Inlet Park in Volusia County, Florida. It's beautiful.
Inlet. The lighthouse is back there.
We can't see it because the sun's in our eyes.
He doesn't look endangered.
He doesn't look threatened at all. He makes little turtle tracks, just like a turtle.
He is a turtle.
Oh, look, there's turtle tracks over there.
We are leaving Ponce Inlet, heading north towards Daytona Beach, and then we will continue on to St. Augustine.